Connecting your Sceptre monitor to your Dell laptop requires understanding the available connection methods and their capabilities. There are three primary connection types to consider. HDMI is the most widely used connection method. DisplayPort offers professional-grade capabilities. USB-C represents the modern standard with additional features. Sceptre monitors typically feature multiple port options on the back panel. You'll find HDMI 1.4 and 2.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and audio output connections. The HDMI 2.0 port supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, while HDMI 1.4 is limited to 4K at 30 Hz. The DisplayPort 1.4 connection offers the highest performance. Dell laptops offer various connection options depending on the model. Common ports include Mini DisplayPort, USB 3.0, and on newer models, USB-C with Thunderbolt support. The Mini DisplayPort provides excellent video quality, while USB 3.0 ports can be used with adapters. Modern Dell laptops increasingly feature USB-C ports for versatile connectivity. HDMI versions differ significantly in their capabilities. HDMI 2.1 supports 4K at 120 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz, while HDMI 2.0 handles 4K at 60 Hz. HDMI 1.4 is limited to 4K at 30 Hz but remains widely compatible. USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode offers a comprehensive solution. It can carry video signals up to 4K at 60 Hz, while simultaneously providing power delivery and data transfer. Thunderbolt 4 ports offer even higher bandwidth up to 40 gigabits per second. Sceptre monitors have an excellent 95% compatibility rate with Dell laptops using standard connections. Dell XPS series laptops from 2024-2025 feature the latest connectivity options, while Inspiron models may have more basic ports. For 4K connections, ensure you use high-speed HDMI cables rated for at least 18 gigabits per second. In summary, choose HDMI for simplicity and wide compatibility, DisplayPort for maximum performance and professional features, or USB-C for modern versatility with single cable convenience. Optimizing your display settings ensures the best visual experience with your Sceptre monitor and Dell laptop setup. The first and most important step is setting the correct native resolution. Windows scaling settings help you adjust text and icon sizes for comfortable viewing. Access these through Windows Display Settings, where you can choose from 100, 125, 150, or 200% scaling. Color profiles ensure accurate color representation. The most common profiles are sRGB for general use, Adobe RGB for professional photo editing, and DCI-P3 for video content creation. HDR settings provide enhanced dynamic range with brighter highlights and deeper shadows. Enable HDR if both your monitor and laptop support it for a more vibrant visual experience, especially in gaming and video content. Brightness and contrast adjustments should match your ambient lighting conditions. Use calibration targets to ensure proper settings and access your monitor's built-in controls for fine-tuning these parameters. For troubleshooting common issues, keep your Dell laptop's graphics drivers updated. No signal detection problems are often resolved with driver updates, while resolution issues typically require adjusting display settings in Windows. Regular driver updates ensure optimal performance and compatibility between your Dell laptop and Sceptre monitor. Following these optimization steps will provide you with the best possible visual experience for work, gaming, and entertainment.